What's up, everyone? Just a quick little video. I'm not going to be recording the whole process just because I got to get this done. Took off the original bumper. Buddy came by today. As you see, the crash bar is off. And we're putting on a JDM BB front end with a lip. So I do need to modify the GS300 fog lights to retrofit in there. But this comes with a lip. I don't know what this lip is. If you guys know, let me know. It is molded onto the JDM bumper. I'll probably have it done the same again just because I do like how it is. Looks like a one piece. And yeah, so the only problem I'm having is I'm gonna have to change the bracket for the oil cooler. I'm gonna have to either hang it off of these, drill a hole, get some bolts, some washers, and bolt it up higher so it'll be flush, because originally it was sitting down here, so I got to get it up here and figure out padding here so it doesn't go up against the condenser, or is it AC? Is that what is considered, like AC radiator? So I need to do something with that. But I don't want to make a long video, guys. I just want to give you guys a little update of what's going on, and then we'll do a review of when I have it on and have time, and of course battery, because right now I don't have time. I gotta get this done because I gotta go to work tomorrow, and this is my only transportation since I sold all the other cars. So, and those cars are still being worked on. That's why the hoods are up. So trying to get everyone's car running, and my wife needs hers for work. So all right, let me get going, guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry for a short video, but I just want to keep all the subscribers updated with what's going on. So just again, to use this, you got to take off the crash bar. So that's why I'm not going to be running that. And my son will be getting this bumper now until I can buy the body kit from Nathaniel. So all right, guys, peace.